You depend on this company every day and probably can't name it. Test your market knowledge. 3 clues, 1 countdown. Can you? You use the tech every single day, but can you name the one company that makes it possible? Clue number 1. This company was founded in 1984. Clue number 2. It doesn't make computer chips. It builds the machines that make the world's most advanced chips. Final clue. It's the only company on Earth that can build these machines. Got your guess? Drop it in the comments. 3, 2, 1. The answer is ASML. Based in the Netherlands, its machines are used to make the advanced chips powering your phone, laptop, and even AI. You've definitely heard of the medicine, but do you know the company behind it? Clue number 1. This company was founded in 1923. Clue number 2. It makes medicines that millions of people rely on every day. Final one. Its blockbuster weight loss and diabetes drugs briefly made it Europe's most valuable company. What is your guess? 3, 2, 1. It's Novo Nordisk, the Danish pharma company behind some of the world's most talked about medicines. There's a good chance you're holding something this company built right now. But can you name it? Clue number 1. This company was founded in 1974. Clue number 2. There is a good chance you are using something this company built right now. Final clue. The company doesn't sell products under its own name, but it manufactures devices for brands like Apple. 3, 2, 1. It's Foxconn, the manufacturing giant that quietly builds millions of devices used across the globe. The biggest brands, built by a company most people can't name. Share this and find out who in your group actually knows their markets. Follow Dealing for more hidden giants from around the world. Dealing. Invest beyond the obvious.